Hey, what's up guys? My name's Steve and I'm here near the University of Central Florida in Orlando, and I'm right outside Knight's Pub, and right now it is happy hour, so we're going inside. I'm with the Red Bull marketing team and we're here to promote an event called Can You Make It? Let's go. We're back in the vlog, let's go! So I have someone very special. I have two very special people here with me right now. One of them, Zach! What up, baby?
My name is Zach. Yeah, what's up, Steve? How you been?
If you go back in a few videos, you'll see that Zach and I were on a team called Red, White, and Bull, and we competed in the Can You Make It challenge together.
We did actually. It was a lot of fun, man.
Best week ever. And also, someone else you might recognize.
The man, the legend, Misha!
Hello! My name is
It's me, it's him, he's back! So happy to see Misha again. Yeah. We got the boys back in town. We're out here today promoting Can You Make It?
Can you make it is the real question. I have to ask. I mean, if you could make it, would you make it? So can you make it?
Ooh, that was smooth, that was smooth.